Hey everyone, welcome to the PDNob channel. NotebookLM can generate mind maps automatically. But let's be honest, the focus and categories often aren't what you actually need, and the feature that should save time ends up giving unusable results. Now, Google finally added something that changes this. You can guide mind maps using prompts, which means instead of letting AI randomly decide what matters, you can now control the direction and focus of the map before it's generated. For example, you can now control your mind map by writing prompts like restricting the map to a specific source, focusing only on the key concepts of a subject, or generating a mind map to help you study a certain topic more effectively. Let me show you how to use it effectively. First, open NotebookLM and upload your source material. This could be PDFs, documents, images, or web sources. Drag it into NotebookLM. After your sources finish processing, select the specific sources you want to use from the left panel. Then open the Mind Map feature. Most people immediately click Generate. But now, if you click the small arrow next to Mind Map, you can actually type in your own requirements before the map gets created. For example, if you uploaded a quarterly product report for work, don't simply write, "Create a mind map." That's too vague. Instead, write something like, "Create a mind map focused on revenue changes, customer complaints, competitor insights, and next quarter priorities." Notice what changed here. The generated mind map now accurately focuses on revenue trends, customer feedback, and competitor analysis, instead of mixing in a bunch of unrelated information. Or let's say you're studying biology for an exam. Instead of getting an overwhelming map full of random details, try create a beginner-friendly mind map focused solely on cell structure, functions, and key exam concepts. You instantly get a cleaner structure that's actually useful for revision. So the key idea is simple. The more clearly you define the topic and focus, the more useful NotebookLM's mind maps become. If this video helped you use NotebookLM more effectively, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful AI tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.